If you're perfect in any one of this language from the 5, then you can definitely get the job or the internship easily. This language is known as the powerful language in the market right now. You can definitely go through any domain easily. For doing the programming, you must need the interest in yourself. In this video, we are going to see the 5 programming languages which are most important in the 2025. Let's get started the video. So we are going to see one by one the programming language till the 5. So our first one is about the Python. So basically Python is also known as the simplicity and the versatile programming language. Python is widely used in the AI/ML, data science and the machine learning, web development and the automation. It's continued to grow in the popularity due to its vast ecosystem of libraries and the frameworks like the Django and the Flask. So basically, if we talk about what is the use of the Python, so basically using the Python you can move to the streams like the data science and analytics and the web development and the AI/ML and the game development. So you can move through the Python as the first language. So let's move to the our second language. Our second language is JavaScript. So JavaScript is a language which dominates web development with frameworks like React.js, AngularJS and so on. Also used as the server-side development in the Node.js. If we talk about what are the key applications, so basically the key applications are like the web development for the front end and the back end and the mobile development. And about the job opportunities are like essential for full stack development. And our third language is Java. It is also known as the most demanded language in the market. If we talk about what is the use of the Java to make the front end and the back end as well as for the websites. It is also known as the powerful language. The security of the Java is too much strong and the high. It is also known as for its scalability and the reliability. So basically the Java key applications are like Android development and the backend development. Job opportunities are the consistent in demand in the enterprises and the startups. And our fourth language is Rust, because the Rust is also known as the renowned for the memory, safety, speed and the concurrency, gaining traction in the system level programming and the blockchain development. So basically the applications of the Rust are like you can go through the domains like the system programming, web development, game development and the blockchain development. And our last one is fifth language is about the Go. Go is also known as the Golang. It is created by the Google for design and simplicity. It is speed as well as scalability. It is famous for the cloud services and the micro-based services applications. Golang is a powerful language for scalable and efficient and moderate applications. Learning the Golang is known as the high valuable skill. The applications are like the DevOps or the backend development, cloud computing. So if we talk about the job opportunities, so basically there is a high demand in the cloud and the backend. So guys, these were the 5 languages which I have told you. So you must go through these languages. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our video. Let's see you in the next video.